Did you know that diabetes affects millions across the USA? It's a growing concern, impacting lives and challenging healthcare systems nationwide. In this video, we'll dive into 8 simple yet powerful tips to help prevent this prevalent condition. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge, equipping you with practical strategies for a healthier lifestyle. From making small dietary adjustments to incorporating regular exercise, each tip is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. By taking these proactive steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing diabetes. This video is not just about information, it's about transformation. We aim to set the tone for proactive health management. Whether you're looking to make a fresh start or refine your current habits, these insights will guide you towards a healthier future. So join us on this journey of awareness and prevention. Let's work together to combat diabetes and promote a healthier community. Stay tuned as we explore each tip in detail, beginning with the first step towards a balanced diet. Welcome to Tip 1, maintaining a balanced diet, your first step in preventing diabetes. Embracing a balanced diet is a powerful way to shield yourself from this chronic condition. It all starts with choosing whole foods. Think fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, and nourishing grains. These natural foods offer essential nutrients without the hidden sugars and unhealthy carbs found in processed options. By reducing your intake of processed sugars and refined carbohydrates, you can significantly decrease your risk of developing diabetes. Imagine your plate as a colorful palette, filled with the vibrant hues of nature's bounty. Each bite is a step towards better health, empowering you to take control of your wellness journey. Remember, a balanced diet doesn't mean deprivation. It's about making smarter choices that support your body's needs. Begin today by transforming your meals into a celebration of wholesome, nutritious ingredients. This simple change can be your strongest ally in the fight against diabetes. Stay tuned for Tip 2, regular physical activity. Welcome to Tip 2, stay active. Physical activity is a powerful ally in managing your weight and blood sugar levels, essential for diabetes prevention. Engaging in regular exercise not only enhances your overall well-being, but also reduces the risk of developing diabetes. Consider incorporating activities like walking, cycling, or yoga into your weekly routine. These exercises are not only enjoyable, but also highly effective. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. This might sound like a lot, but breaking it down into manageable sessions makes it achievable and fun. Remember, consistency is key. Find activities you love to ensure you stay motivated and committed. Whether it's a brisk morning walk in the park or a calming yoga session at home, every bit counts. By making exercise a regular part of your life, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier future. Ready for more tips? Stay tuned as we explore how monitoring your weight can further assist in preventing diabetes. In our journey to prevent diabetes, maintaining a healthy weight emerges as a key pillar. A balanced weight significantly reduces the risk of developing diabetes, making it essential for everyone aiming for a healthier future. One effective strategy is portion control, being mindful of how much we eat at every meal. This simple practice can make a substantial difference in managing weight. But remember, you're not alone on this path. Consulting with healthcare providers can provide you with personalized plans tailored to your unique needs. They can offer guidance and support, ensuring your weight management strategies are both safe and effective. This proactive approach not only helps in weight control, but also empowers you to take charge of your health with confidence. As we continue exploring ways to prevent diabetes, keep these tips in mind and consult professionals when needed. Now, let's hydrate and discuss the importance of water in our next tip. Water is a cornerstone of maintaining good health. It plays a crucial role in regulating your body functions, ensuring everything runs smoothly. By choosing water over sugary drinks, you not only stay hydrated, but also help reduce unnecessary sugar intake, a key factor in diabetes prevention. Think of swapping that soda or sweetened coffee for a refreshing glass of water. It might seem like a small change, but its benefits are immense. Increasing your daily water intake can be simple and rewarding. Start by carrying a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor, making it an enjoyable routine rather than a chore. Aim to drink a glass of water before meals to not only stay hydrated, but also help manage your appetite. Every sip counts towards your overall well-being. Embrace water as your beverage of choice and take this easy step towards better health. As we continue our journey through these diabetes prevention tips, let's next explore the vital role of sleep in maintaining insulin sensitivity and overall health. Sleep is more than just a nightly ritual. It's a vital part of managing your health. Quality sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining insulin sensitivity, which is essential for preventing diabetes. To truly harness the power of sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. But how do you improve your sleep quality? Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. By prioritizing sleep, you're taking a significant step in safeguarding your health against diabetes. Stress is more than just a feeling. It can significantly impact your blood sugar levels, making stress management an essential part of diabetes prevention. Tip number 6 is all about finding balance and calm in our busy lives. Consider incorporating meditation into your daily routine. Even just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. Not into meditation? No problem. Engage in hobbies that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's gardening, painting, or playing a musical instrument. These activities can lower stress and help regulate your blood sugar. Regular relaxation practices are not just a luxury, they are a necessity for maintaining your health. Remember, taking time for yourself is not selfish, it's vital. By managing stress effectively, you can prevent those unwanted spikes in blood sugar levels, keeping you on the path to health. Up next, we'll discuss another critical aspect of diabetes prevention: regular health checkups. As we continue exploring ways to prevent diabetes, let's dive into Tip 7, health monitoring. It's crucial to schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. These visits are more than just routine. They're an opportunity to catch any health issues early on. Regular screenings help in monitoring vital statistics like blood sugar levels and cholesterol. By doing so, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining your health and preventing complications. Establishing a consistent routine with your healthcare provider ensures that you're always on top of your health game. This proactive approach not only helps in early detection, but also in taking preventive measures before any condition becomes serious. Remember, early detection is key in managing and even preventing diabetes. Make health monitoring a part of your lifestyle, just like any other daily routine. By keeping a close eye on your health, you're empowering yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Now, let's move forward with our last tip, focusing on lifestyle changes that can further reduce your risk of diabetes. Welcome to Tip 8, lifestyle changes. Did you know that alcohol and smoking significantly increase your risk of diabetes? It's time to take control. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Enjoy it occasionally, but be mindful of how much you consume. As for smoking, quitting is one of the best decisions you can make for your health. Not only does it reduce your risk of diabetes, but it also benefits your overall well-being. Transitioning to a healthier lifestyle can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek support from friends, family, or professional resources. There are numerous programs and tools available to help you quit smoking and drink responsibly. Remember, taking small steps towards reducing alcohol and quitting smoking can make a significant impact on your health journey. Let's empower ourselves with the knowledge to make these positive changes. With each step, you're lowering your risk of diabetes and improving your quality of life. Join us next as we wrap up our top 8 tips with a call to action. You've now been equipped with 8 simple yet powerful tips to prevent diabetes. From maintaining a balanced diet and staying active, to managing stress and prioritizing sleep, each step brings you closer to a healthier future. Remember, these changes are not just about preventing diabetes, but about enhancing your overall well-being. We encourage you to take these tips to heart, implement them into your daily routine, and embrace a proactive approach to health. Your journey to a healthier life begins today. And just as you've gained from this knowledge, share this video with friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness and empower others to take charge of their health. Every action counts. Let's make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and stay committed to your health journey. Together, we can combat diabetes and promote a healthier world.